हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आए हैं कंप्यूटर के लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ जो कि आपके पटवारी, ग्राम सचिव और कैनाल पटवारी में पूछे जा सकते हैं। ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच डाटा प्रोसेसिंग टेक्निक कैन बी अप्लाइड टू रिमूव द नॉइस एंड करेक्ट इनकंसिस्टेंसी इन डाटा। मीन्स ऐसी कौन सी टेक्निक है जो कि ध्वनि को हटा सकती है, तो दैट इज डाटा क्लीनिंग। Our second question is which data processing technique can be applied to alter the structure and format of raw data as needed, that is data transformation. Our third question is which technique can be applied to obtain a reduces data should be more efficient yet produce the same analytical result. Means ऐसी कौन सी टेक्निक है जिसको हम अप्लाई करके इस डाटा को कम भी कर सकते हैं बट उसकी एफिशिएंसी को हम और ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, तो वो टेक्निक है डाटा रिडक्शन। विच टेक्निक कैन बी यूज फॉर कंबाइनिंग डाटा फॉर मल्टीपल हेट्रोजीनियस डाटा सोर्सेज। मीन्स दैट डाटा कैन बी यूज्ड इन वेरियस सोर्सेज इनटू अ कोहेरेंट डाटा स्टोर, तो दैट टेक्निक इज डाटा इंटीग्रेशन। Our fifth question is in Windows Internet Explorer the default font size is 12. The first element in JavaScript array has its index value as 0. Means first element will have 0 as index value and second element will have index value 1. The first element in Python list has its index value as 0. Class A network IP addresses range from where? Class A, our network IP address are of 4 types A, B, C, D. In A class, our address start from 1.0.0.0 to 1270.0.0.0. Our B network IP address range from 1 to 8.0.0.0 to 191.255.0.0. Class C IP addresses range from 192.0.0.0 to 233.255.255.0. All these question has been asked last 3 years exams for HSSC clerk or many other exams. So be prepared that you will be selected in next exams like Patwari, Canal Patwari and Gram Sachiv. Although these questions are very important, class D network IP addresses range from where? It starts from 224.0.0.0 and it ends to 239.255.255.255. Now our 12th question is which class is reserved for multicasting? For multicasting, the class D is reserved. Our 13th question is the process of identifying and separating the essential feature without including the internal detail is data abstraction. Means ऐसी कौन सी टेक्निक है, ऐसा कौन सा प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम उसके अंदर की डिटेल्स को छुपाकर और उसकी फीचर्स को दिखा सकते हैं, तो यह है डाटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन। डाटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन like data abstraction and what is encapsulation? In encapsulation, the lower level receive data from higher level and it places few more information in its frame, that is encapsulation. Our fifth question is a computer with a large number of instruction is called as a CISC. CISC is complex instruction set computing. RISC is reduced instruction set computer. Now you can see the difference between CISC and RISC. What is CISC? In CISC, memory to memory and in risk register to register. Insist the small code size high cycle per second, but in risk low cycle per second and large code size. In CISC transistor are used and in risk more transistor are used. Our 16th question is, which attributes specify the distance between two adjacent cells? It is from Excel. Then cell spacing is used for specifying the distance between two adjacent cells. Our 17th question is, which attribute specify the space between the border of a table cell and its contents? Means कि when you are writing your name and the cell have a space, that is known as a cell padding, that is in the cell itself. And in cell spacing, the distance is between the adjacent cell. So we have discussed many important questions of computer, and next videos we will learn more about computers, maths, science question also, so that you will be selected for your next HSSC exam. So please subscribe my channel, like and share, so that you will be able to see more videos about your selection. Thanks.